I'm Judy Steffes, and what community am I in?
Yeah.
All right, I am in a community right by the sea. I am north of Amsterdam,
Amsterdam.
north of Amsterdam, and this looks like a very old family fish market. And so my friend, your name again?
Yes.
Your name?
Ja.
Your name?
Warrior.
Warrior. And she is committed.
Keizer.
Kaiser.
Keizer.
Yes, get it right.
Keizer.
So, tempting me to try the eel, and this is what the eels.
Yeah.
Those are what the eels. Eels and mackerel. That's what the eel looks like with a face. And then we Kaiser. She cut it up, and so now, well. It's slimy.
Ja, sure.
It tastes very smoked.
Ja, gesmoked, gerookt.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah.
she's agreeing.
Allemaal gerookt, die ook. Allemaal
All of
gerookt.
those are smoked, yes.
Yeah.
But I,
Rauw.
but I passed up on the herring,
Yeah.
and that is not
Dat is
smoked.
rauwe vis.
So, yes, herring, she is
Yes,
saying,
yes.
is the raw fish. So, somebody along the route said, if you try it, you have to try it twice, and that was the secret.
Ja.
It's still slimy, and still tastes like smoked fish, but it's eel. So, you're welcome, all the foodies, for making me experience Netherlands in a whole nother way. Read more about this at imthebikewriter.blogspot.com. Thanks for joining me on the amazing ride for Alzheimer's. I'm Judy Steffes.